Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Trying to place an order and suddenly realizing the DoorDash app is not accepting your payment can quickly turn into an annoying situation, especially when everything in the cart is ready to go. Sometimes the payment screen keeps loading, while other times the order fails even though the card information looks correct. Issues like this can happen for different reasons, including outdated payment details, app glitches, connection problems, or temporary account issues that interrupt checkout. Before giving up on the order or trying random fixes, there are a few simple things worth checking that often help payments go through normally again. Let's walk through several quick steps that may help solve the issue. Try these. Step 1. Review the payment details saved in the DoorDash app and confirm the card information is entered correctly. Step 2. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data on the DoorDash app to refresh the connection during checkout. Step 3. Close and reopen the DoorDash app if the payment page freezes or stops responding. Step 4. Remove and re-add the payment method inside the DoorDash app if the same error keeps appearing. Step 5. Check for updates available for the DoorDash app to make sure the latest version is installed. Step 6. Place the order again through the DoorDash app and confirm the payment processes successfully.